I'm Dan Adam, founder and owner of Adam & Son Auto Repair. We are a full-service auto repair shop here in Colorado Springs, and we handle anything from the basic oil changes to the most complex diagnostics and repairs. Adam & Son is not your typical auto repair shop. We are the first and only social impact auto repair shop in the nation. Social impact is more of a business being built around solving community issues versus being philanthropic, where if you're going to have a good year, you're going to donate some money to a certain cause. Our whole purpose is to solve community issues, and so our business is built around that model. In 2020, we founded the Stranded Motorist Fund, and that was to help people that could not afford to fix their vehicles. We saw more and more people coming through our front doors that just couldn't afford the repairs. So we founded the Stranded Motorist Fund, and now today it helps primarily single mothers, domestic violence victims, homeless veterans, and the list goes on. That car is the most critical component to living, to be able to get to your job, to be able to take your parents to the doctor's office, to take your kids to school. That car is absolutely a necessity. With our 4 social impact programs in the Stranded Motorist Fund, we've been able to help over 200 people and given back to our community well over $150,000 in services. And we've donated 8 to 10 cars at this point, and we expect to double those numbers in the next couple of years. Growth is not our goal. It is a byproduct of our hunger to be the best at what we do. And every one of our team members, every person in this shop believes in this, and that's why we hire those people. Those are the type of people we want, the ones that are hungry, the ones that really want to be the best at what they do. Synchrony actually solves a problem for us, and it solves a problem for our customers. One of the most difficult jobs is to deliver bad news, and you can see it in the customer's eyes that they cannot afford to fix the car. What Synchrony does is it allows us to get them on the road, get them back to work so they're not unemployed, they're not losing their car, they're not losing their house, and they're able to continue on. And it's because of these financing options that we're able to do that. We can just see the stress melt away from the customer once they realize they have an option, they have financing options. One of the things that sets us apart, we call it the Adam & Son experience. You won't find this kind of level of service anywhere else in the industry. The technicians go out to each vehicle and they take pictures and videos of everything that they're seeing, and that way the customer can see exactly what the technician sees, and you have immediate transparency. And then we can just walk through that process, and they're looking at that inspection on their phone as our service advisor is talking to them, and they can discuss the importance, what they can put off, what they need to do now. And then when you combine that digital inspection with a link to Synchrony, here's the solution right there. All you need to do is fill out the application, and you put the two together, and that problem is solved. It's about taking care of the community. We have the power to cause impact in our communities. We just need to step up and do it. Customers come in here and they trust us. They want to be behind the same cause we are in solving community issues.